To create a headland sequence using the edit offline feature, I either look for my headland sequence tile or go to the tractor launch pad and tap on the button up the top here, and then I choose then which button I want to program up. So sequence 1 would relate to the top go button, sequence 2 would relate to the bottom end button, sequence 3 the small go button, and sequence 4 then would be the small end button. So I can choose which one I want to program up, and just make sure then that this is this padlock is over to the unlock side. I can then tap on which button I want to program. And in here then is I could choose actually that I want to, instead of saying sequence 1, that I want to change that name, and so I tap on the pencil icon, and I could say that it is saying that it is drill down, going into work there. And then to utilize what is called the edit offline feature is use this very top button up here, and it's from down here then that we can start to build up our headland sequence list. First of all, we select our travelling direction, so we see down here as to whether we're forwards or backwards. But quite simply then is I'm choosing then my function. So if I had a rear mounted drill, I can say, right, it's going to be I want the linkage to go down on there. Highlight the function and say that it's the linkage going down. I could then say, staying on this tab here, that I want the 1000 PTO to start in there. So I've highlighted 1000 PTO and put that into there. Now as I want to just select what trigger I've got, and so I come across to the trigger button, and in here then is I can start to say as to whether I want the PTO to start with another press of the button after a distance. In there, this is relating to the front linkage, this is related then to the rear linkage. I could do it as a rear linkage lowering height, or after a time, but like I say, right, it's going to be after a rear linkage lowering height in there. And then I can set my percentages. I can start to say that if my drill was at 85% as I'm turning on the headland, I can say, right, okay, at 70 odd percent, then I want the PTO to start. I could then choose then that after my PTO has started, I could ask to go in and maybe set an engine rev in there. So set one of the preset engine revs, and then we can sort of say after the PTO starting, how many or what distance in this example here then would I want the engine revs to build up. So I could highlight the box there, and I could sort of say after half a meter, then I want the engine revs to pick up, so the PTO has started in that side. And then I can just keep going through, asking then as to what the next function or what the next step is going to be on the list, and I can keep going through building up that list.